And a good Thursday to you. I'm meteorologist Cindy Fitzgibbon. It's going to be another afternoon where we're going to be watching some storms roll on through. And just like yesterday, heavy rain and localized street and poor drainage flooding going to be the primary concerns. But in some of the stronger storms, we could see some damaging winds and lightning as well. So a very similar day to yesterday because we're still tracking the same frontal boundary that is focusing these showers and thunderstorms. And we've got this very soupy air mass with dew point temperatures well up into the 60s. But the actual air temperatures today, quite a bit different than they have been the past few days. You can see where the 80s are off to the south and west, mostly through Connecticut and Rhode Island. And south coast of Massachusetts and the Cape going to be closer to 80 degrees. But the farther north that you go on the other side of this front, notice how we don't get out of the 60s through the afternoon. Parts of the North Shore, southern New Hampshire, northern Worcester County as well. And this front is going to be the focus for these storms. So we're looking at a few showers kind of rolling on through this morning. These are going to be exiting up along the New Hampshire seacoast through about 10-11 o'clock this morning. But look at all the clouds that are with us into the midday. It is a mostly cloudy day, brightest skies likely coming up through parts of Connecticut and Rhode Island as we get into the afternoon. But even by midday, a couple of storms starting to pop here, and these are going to be developing very close to the pike. And as we go deeper into the afternoon, the storms become more numerous. These are going to be slow moving downpours with rainfall rates of about 1 to 3 inches per hour, and that can lead to some localized flooding. But look where they're focused here. Once again, mostly along and south of the pike in that warmer air. So do watch out for the damaging wind threat in this area between about 2 and 8 p.m. with some of the stronger storms, but also the potential for flooding. Now, as we get into the evening hours, those storms begin to diminish, but during the overnight hours, we could have a few lingering on the Cape up until about midnight. Thereafter, we dry things out. We're left with a lot of clouds and some fog. Could be some drizzle first thing when you wake up tomorrow, too, with that northeasterly wind. Temperatures fall back overnight into the 50s, so cooler overnight. And a cool kind of damp day setting up for Friday. Look at these high temperatures. Not feeling much like July as we're going to struggle through the 60s throughout the day on Friday. So it's a cool one. There will be a lot of clouds, but not too much in the way of rain. And we're not expecting the storms of the past couple of days. You can see as we go through the afternoon, 1 or 2 showers may be around, but that's about the extent of it. One more piece of energy is going to come on by on Friday night as we kick this frontal boundary offshore. There could be a shower very early on Saturday, and then that is it. We're seeing improvements, high pressure nosing in. So dry times, developing sunshine on Saturday. Sunday is the pick day of the weekend. Looks like a lot of sunshine, temperatures in the lower 80s, and we'll keep it in the 80s as we head into next week.